வணக்கம் விஜய் டிவி நேயர்களே. இப்போது நம்மளுடைய சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல் கிளைண்ட் ராஜேஷ் ஆதித்யா ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பழைய கிளைண்ட். உங்களுக்கு எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச கிளைண்ட்டு. எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் என்னை கேட்டு கேட்டு செய்வார். அவர் பெங்களூர்லேருந்து நம்மளை மீட் பண்ண வந்திருக்கார் நம்ம ஆஃபீஸ்க்கு. ஸோ வணக்கம் ராஜேஷ் சார். டெல் அபவுட் யூ மிஸ்டர் ராஜேஷ்.
Hello to everybody. See, I may not be able to speak Tamil, but
okay, you talk in Kannada also, no problem.
I know little Kannada and English. So, sir, ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 2001 ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಗೆ. 2001 ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಜಾಬಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನನಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಬಾಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಂಬಳ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ 2004 ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಫ್ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಜಯ್ ಟಿವಿ 2004 ಅವರೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಹುಡುಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಿ ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ, ಅರುಳ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅರುಳ್ ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅವ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಫ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವರು ನ್ಯೂಮ್ರಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನನಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ನನಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿಪುರಂ. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸರ್ಗೆ ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿಪುರಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಂಬ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವೋ, ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ರ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1200 ಇತ್ತು. ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು 50-50 ಇತ್ತು ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಜೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ನಾನು ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ನೇಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನನ್ನ ಹಳೆ ನೇಮ್ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಶರ್ಮಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು, ಆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬಂತು, ಸಾರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಿ ಹೆಸರು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಇವ್ರು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಿ ನೀವು 41 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬರೀ. ನಾನು ನೀವು ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಲೀಫ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾಳೆ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದೇ ಸಾರಿ 3 ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಆ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಬರೀ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಸೆಟರುಕ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ, ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂತು. ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 2004 2008ವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ. ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನಾನು ನಂಬಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಈಗಲೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವ ದಿವಸ, ಇವತ್ತು 27th ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ನಾನು ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರ್ತೀನಿ.
From 2004 you are around 11 years, 12 years senior client now.
ನಾನು
so what my question, Rajesh? So how you are following correctly, and what about your friends' result? You are bringing always to me.
No, I am following. ನಾನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ನಾನು
What is the name?
Umesh is
there. Umesh, yeah, okay.
Umesh came then.
Yeah, your friends are also very close to me, but anyway, because I got 3 lakhs clients, so you don't have the face.
Yeah, I normally tell sir name and I tell them to meet. And there are a lot of people, Umesh, Bennett. I mean, there are.
And what are the countries you visited, Rajesh?
I have after that I got a chance in 2008. I visited to US.
Yeah, okay.
And before that I had.
After you went only, you told me. I'm happy. At least okay.
Yes, and even you believe me or not, later I started believing so much कि ನನಗೆ 8th ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು 8th ಬಂತು. ಬಟ್ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೀವು ದೇವ್ರು ನಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ 8th ನಾನು US ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನನಗೆ 2010 ಸಿಂಗಾಪುರ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಬಂತು. ತಿರ್ಗಾ
everything is office tour only. Officially you went there.
Everything through office I got it.
So while coming and meet me, or you come by bike or by bus?
I used to come by bus actually.
Now you are in car,
I got car.
Very good. What is the number, car number?
It's 2399.
Okay, so I'm very happy that you are doing correctly. A to Z you are testing the numbers.
I'm following, and trust me, I request people. See, it's your life. We spend so much money.
See, because in Karnataka they are very innocent people. Because they don't know, so the astrologer do the puja, bhava karma, and the A to Z they are doing, they are taking 25,000 for the puja.
Yeah.
See, this is a science fact. I only told in all the channels, first person in Bangalore itself.
Yes.
Nobody that time no astrologer comes in the TV and all.
They say.
So I only got the chance by God case because I comes in Sun TV and all,
Exactly.
and Vijay TV,
Correct.
and more than 300 cable TV.
Yes.
So all the owners are very close to me throughout South India.
Yes. Yes.
Say love me like you.
No,
so
they are
once you come and meet me, you will be lifelong.
Yes. See, actually, we spend so much money now. Aston ದುಡ್ಡು ಖರ್ಚು
Correct.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. But it's hardly.
Again, people doing the same mistakes.
Yes.
That's why I'm always telling.
Yeah.
Once you pay that and enjoy their life, always my
Yes.
advice.
Yeah, I really thanks to.
Now you got house also. That is you are not only.
I have purchased a house.
Which place?
In Mathikere in Bangalore, I purchased it, which was not in a position, but I was able to buy that house there.
I am very happy.
Yeah, thank you. And I suggest people who, if you really have, because it's hardly you lose anything. You would have paid so much money here and there. People who really believe in that, you have to keep confidence and you start it. It will hardly cost you. It's ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. But if you once come there, your problem will be solved. And it's not only that. Even sir suggest me, we also should help somebody else. It's
Correct.
right.
Yeah, correct.
You should also help people.
So we are always in the good side now. They are in the bad side.
Yes.
So I always tell everybody to come this side.
Yes. So you come and see, and you try it out, and then you see.
That's why for a lakh we can spend.
Yes.
See, 10,000 is nothing for in now India and all.
Yes.
Schools they are spending 10 lakhs.
No.
So after the 10th standard fail marks, they are coming and meet me. Sir, my son was not studying well. See,
Yeah.
this is not student fault. Only the name fault.
No, and that's what I suggest after that ki instead of bringing a children after age, but like I met him in almost when I was 32. So now I'm almost 41. So instead of that, if I would have met the same thing or
Before,
maybe I would have been in a much better position in my life.
Okay.
So it's okay, but that's all timing. But
So you want to be always the Prime Minister post. Now you are in MLA post.
Yeah,
for example, I'm telling
for
you.
a career we should. Yes.
Yeah, you want always in the
Yeah,
progress.
wherever we are working, we always wanted to be in a good position.
Yeah.
And
You, I think you got some 600 crores project under on the construction line.
Yes. Right now I'm just handling that.
Yeah.
So I'm complete in charge of sales there.
Yeah.
So I suggest people.
So see now, the worth Rajesh is now up to 600 crores now.
Yes.
You don't have the money, but you are the.
People believe me and they are saying me to take care of the project. to market
Excellent.
it.
That is very important.
Yes.
Now you're going for people believe you.
Yes. That's
So
why
you are achieved. So once you are achieved, like me, you can also get benefit by other people also.
No. So I request people to please once meet sir, come there and you see, and then you will see the changes. It's hardly you lose anything out of this. But if your belief is there, you
So try your luck, I think.
Yeah, you try your luck. And this is not happens that we forcing. If you try, your time is good. You will come and meet sir, and you see the changes in a year's time. You will see what changes you have made, which your continuous life you would have not made. And this is like I'm saying because it's not just to say it is. I have experience in life.
Yeah, those we are educated, but we always go in the honest way.
Yes.
Now you may late.
Yeah,
So in your life maybe getting everything late,
Yeah.
correct? Maybe
Yes.
house, car, everything.
Yes.
But everything in honest way, no, Rajesh.
Yes.
So that's
in
why.
an honest way. And
Yeah, that's why. It's true.
yeah, and sir, don't suggest anything. He suggests to go to temples and all. You don't have to do a lot
Now
of.
you are wearing the stones, you can show that.
I'm wearing this. This is what which sir has given me.
And
This is
inside the dollars?
2004. And
This is very old, I think. no?
yeah, this is an old one. This is 2004.
2004.
Yeah.
Still, and again I given last year
Yeah,
also.
then last year I took
Become
it.
old.
7-8 months back I took it. As per whatever I feel when starts some changes, sir, I suggest ask.
Every year you are coming.
Yeah, and he gives me, and I keep visiting. So if you keep visiting, if anything is there, and he suggests me also a lot of things, which is helpful to my
Yeah,
life.
definitely. See, anything if you go to a temple also, trusting is the word very important.
Yes. Yeah, that's
If God is God, God, stone is stone, stone, that's all.
yes. You trust it, it's basically a science which helps you and you can see the changes.
Now you are a mini astrologer, I know. You always see the pen you calculating.
No, I keep asking.
So what about our response whenever you call me?
Actually, to be very frank, I keep calling him and I might have called him n number of times.
You are the number one client, I think. Well,
Maybe, sir. Because for everything, whichever I start, whether it's good or bad in my life, I ask sir. And he suggests me.
yeah,
okay,
but you paid only one time fees that time, you know that.
Yeah.
So after that also still you call him. So what I say.
I still get
So we are ready to help you. Okay,
Yes.
we are very satisfied.
Yes. And it's nothing like that. Even today I have come, I came for some personal work. I thought, why don't I ask some certain things from sir which I should do or not.
Maybe by God grace, you are a witness now, you have to talk. That's why God sent it, maybe.
No, it's all God belief, because see what we do, we get in this world. Trust it and you see, and it's your life.
Yeah, definitely.
You can see your success. Nobody is going to stop it. You should be truthful to yourself, what you are doing.
So I am very happy.
Thank you.
So you have to thank to madam, my wife. So that you forget the
Yeah,
word.
because here I have to tell, because sir will be busy, so normally I keep calling madam. So I'm sorry.
Madam always Rajesh called me
Yeah,
today.
yeah, she has saved that.
You only told me 10 o'clock. Rajesh is in trouble. He called me. So
Yes,
what
yes.
is up the number?
Yeah, no, I have to say thank
Yeah, my boss is torturing. So next what?
more than you have to thanks madam, because she takes the trouble of always.
See what I say. Either by going by car, madam also coming.
Yes.
So then in Tamil they will tell இன்பம் துன்பம்ன்ற மாதிரி சந்தோஷத்திலே வைஃப் இருக்கணும் கஷ்டத்திலே வைஃப் இருக்கணும் அப்ப எனக்கு கிடைக்கிற புகழ்ல வைஃப்
Always
வரணும்
wife will.
Yeah, that's why always just like a friend we have to do.
Yes, yes, yes.
So really thanks Rajesh
I'm
for
thanking
coming
you
here.
and thanking
Share
you
up.
also.
So help others also Rajesh.
Sure,
Thanks
sir.
a lot.
I'll definitely. Please, you can try your luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.